You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French movie director. If you want to learn more of movie names and French names that are confusing, stay tuned, I've got tons more very interesting ones at the end of this video. The French pronunciation, the way we say it in France, Coralie Fargeat. Essentially, the G-E makes the G soft. The E is only there before the A, just to make it soft, okay? So it's not Fargeat or Fargeat, it's Fargeat. The T is silent at the end, okay? So Coralie Fargeat. In English, I mean, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Coralie Fargeat. Coralie Fargeat, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.